Do you want to know how to fix active status on Messenger? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So let's open your Messenger and let's say that your issue is you can't see other people's active status, or you just want to share your own active status and let people know that you are currently online on Messenger or not. So once you open your Messenger app, click on the profile icon at the top left corner, and from here you should immediately see the active status option. Tap on that, and I currently have it turned on. For example, if you currently have your active status turned off like this, you can just click on the toggle button right here and this option will immediately appear. If you want to show when you're active together with the people you are chatting with, so if you turn on this active status option, your friends and connections can see you are active or recently active on this profile or Messenger. And you can also see if they are currently active or not, if they have also turned on this feature. So that's how you basically fix active status on Messenger. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comment about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.